Hey guys, NutQuick here, and welcome back for another video. As you can see, today's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be teaching you how to make cereal the right way. Now, my entire life, I have seen people making cereal the wrong way, and it's unbearable. I can't see it anymore. So I've decided to make a tutorial and teach people how to make cereal the right way. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to start with your bowl of cereal. Alright, and once you have that, we are going to go through the first step. And the first step is to grab your milk. Alright, and once you have your milk in your hand, you're going to want to pour it into, just gently pour it into the bowl. There you go, just like that. Great job. Okay, now, after you've done that, you want to grab your cereal, of course. And you just want to pour it in there, just like that. Perfect. Alright. And there you go, you've made your bowl. Now, all that's left to do is you just gotta grab your handy dandy little, little chopsticks, and you want to start to eat your cereal. Delicious. Bon appetit. It's so amazing. This is the right way to make cereal. Yeah. So, just in case you didn't know, this is how you make cereal. I hope you guys finally learned something. If anyone tells you to make cereal any other way except for this, then they're wrong, okay? And you need to show them this video, and you need to share it with them, and you need to tell them that this is the only way and the only right way to make cereal, okay? Bye.